cop over there picking up trash. He's actually cleaning up somebody's grave is what he's doing. What a good guy, man.
Just over the years, the memorial has just gotten so weather worn, and I drove by it several times and I thought it needs to be kept up. I didn't want Shelby's death to be forgotten. So I just started picking up trash, pulling weeds and grass from around the cross. I put some fresh flowers down. He saw me picking up trash and he started to record me on his phone and said, here's something you don't see much, an officer out picking up trash. A couple of days later, I started getting calls from fellow officers saying, we just saw you on TikTok. And I said, doing what? I don't know what you're talking about. And they said, the gentleman who stopped to talk to you at the memorial site, he recorded that, and now it's on TikTok. Shelby's mother, she was going to be in town, I believe, for a family function up in Chicago, and then she was going to be down here in Indianapolis this week, and it was determined she could be here today at 11 o'clock, and I can't wait to meet her. Hi, Sherry. Oh, this is awesome to meet you.
I know, I know. Oh. I'm so excited. I'm thinking about it ever since the day we
I'm so honored to meet you face to face.
I know. It's my honor.
Oh.
I mean, I'm so proud of you, so honored that you would be so kind to come and, think of her and take care of that memorial and everything, and also just your service. I want to thank you for your service. Because,
thank you so much.
It's so nice that she can be remembered, and still, it's 22 years.
Yes.
And she's still being remembered, and it just swells my heart.
May I show you the memorial?
You may.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that. That's so nice.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's so beautiful. Years it's been maintained, and to me that is just the most awesome thing, that she can still be remembered after 22 years. I'm so glad that we got that connection.
Yes.
And the TikTok guy, wherever he is, thank him.
Thank you.
Because he made it all happen, and I got to speak with you and knew that I had to meet you. In my heart, it's like every time someone can say her name or remember her, it just swells my heart, because she's worth remembering.
A lot of times we'll touch someone, speak with someone, interact with someone, and we won't even know the good thing that came out of it until quite a while later or short time later. And something just out of a conversation we've had someone just made a world of difference. And to have someone to come up to you and say, that day you were at our house, or you helped me at that incident, that made a difference. And I've gotten things turned around, and that just totally makes my day. That is the sweetest thing we could hear.